Hi, in this particular video we will study about the dictionaries in Python. So let's get started. I've created a variable named employees, and then I have enclosed this particular dictionary within the curly braces, as you can see. And I've taken a name and then assigned a value to it. I separate it with colon, and then department, the department name, and roles. I have assigned a list of different options like sales, admin, analysis, etc. So if I need to access name, the value for name, I'll use brackets and then put name here, and if I try to print this, I'll be able to get Harish. Let's print this. Okay, you're able to see this option. Now similarly, if we try to access department, we'll be able to do that too. Now we can also add values into this particular dictionary by simply, let's say we want to add a phone number here. Okay, sorry, let's put in a number and then save it. And now if we try to print, okay, now you see, we see the phone number added to the dictionary. Along with this, you also see one thing, that it's an unordered list. In case of list, it was ordered, but the dictionaries are unordered. Similarly, we can also update our dictionaries by using the update function. Okay, let's say we want to update the name, so we can simply update. We take this, we need to put the curly braces here, and then let's say we want to change Harish to Manish. Now if I change this and try to print this particular variable, I'll be able to do that. Okay, if I say name, it has been updated. Now how we can iterate the values from this dictionary? So for iterating the values in this dictionary, we need to use for loop. Let's say we want to get the keys in this dictionary. So we need to use keys function here, and then if we try to print key, we'll be able to see the keys. Okay, you see phone, department, etc. Now if we try to get the values only, we can simply use values. Let's change this to val here and print this. We'll be able to get the values. Okay, so you see the phone number and the department name, and then there is a list of different roles. Okay, now if you want to get both the values, in that case we can do this, and then we need to use items function, and now if I print this, we'll get both the values, both the keys and values. Okay, now we see here we have a list. The role key have a list value. So if we take one more step to find out where the values, if we want to print out the actual values assigned in this particular list, what we can do is we can find out the type of the value where it's list. So we can use the if condition and put type val is list. In this case, again a for loop for that val, and then print the values. Okay, let's remove this, save this, run this. We are able to get the values inside the list. That's how you can iterate within dictionary and get its values and use it in your program. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.